On the table today we have a fancy special edition Victorinox knife. I'll open it up in a second, but first we got the certificate of authenticity for it. This is, congratulations, you're the proud owner of a limited edition Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society 22nd year commemorative knife. This year's model is a deluxe tinker incorporating a haptic three-dimensional texturized artist color palette designed to the scales in honor of the new 2021 World of Color Classics. It was produced by Victorinox in Ebach, Switzerland, exclusively for the VSAKCS Collectors Society. The Collectors Society logo is imprinted on the front side of the Celador scale. The year is laser etched on the main blade. This specialized design was created by the VSAKCS team, manufactured in 2021 and released in December 2021. The underwriter certifies that this knife is a limited edition, one of 200 pieces produced in this design worldwide. Jason Dillman, director, Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collectors Society, and lucky number 69. I had to get this video up before I sent this to my friend. So, it's important to note that the December 2021, these guys were made and shipped out. The VSAKCS Club knives come out the following year. So this is the 2021 model. We got this earlier this year in 2022. And look at this. It's similar to the color palette that you'd find on Photoshop. This is also similar to the Classic Colors collection that was mentioned in the certificate. So you have the swatches and everything there, similarly laid out. This is a deluxe tinker, so we'll go through the tools real quick. You got your pliers, you have your normal openers, you have the scissors, you have the small blade, you have the large blade, you have on the back side you have your awl, you have the Phillips, and you have the hook, no file on the deluxe tinker on the hook. But what's really nice, I opened the main blade but I didn't show the etching. You got your jar 2021 on there, and on the front side you have the inscription plate, Victorinox Swiss Army Knives Collectors Society. The really neat thing here is the scales. This will focus, they are raised up, so there is a texture to them. Even in the shield you'll have a texture. You can run your nail over them and you can feel it. It's on the front and back. They did a really great job on this year's knife. If you guys aren't members of the club, it's free to sign up. I'll include a link on the description. You just sign up. They do a couple of newsletters a year, and they do also do a yearly knife. This year, however, is different. They are actually going to release a super tinker in this pattern with the haptic color palette scales, but it will not have the plate, the inscription plate there, or the year on the blade. It'll just be a normal, probably etching on the back. That way they're still only available to club members, so sign up. It'll go out in a newsletter, in the summer newsletter, more than likely, how to purchase one. And we will have a new color palette knife later on in the year. So, but this time it would be a super tinker, so we'd be losing the pliers on that. And yeah, look forward to seeing that come out. Sign up. It's free to sign up. I'll include the link, like I said before. And yeah, I believe that is all we have for today. So, look forward to the next special edition that comes across the table. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.